I'm Dr. Alyssa Nycz, and I'm a pediatrician at Bell & Health in Marinette. I always wanted to be a pediatrician. I used to think I wanted to specialize in something until residency. I think every specialty in peds that I practice in is like always thinking to myself, I can bring this back to primary care, and I could bring this back to Wisconsin and have a little extra knowledge in all these specialties and then bring it to a rural place where we don't really have these kind of resources. I grew up in Tomahawk, Wisconsin, went to Rhinelander High School, and then I went to Ripon College for my undergrad. Didn't move very far from there, then went to the Medical College of Wisconsin, Green Bay, for medical school. Then after that, I went out to the East Coast for residency. Family and friends are all in Wisconsin. Everybody's having babies and things like that. It was hard to be away, so I was excited to come back. My overall approach is always keeping in mind the whole person and what's going on with a child outside of the doctor's office, because I do really think that impacts their health too. I will talk to patients one-on-one, probably at an earlier age than some of my colleagues, because I also want to encourage kids in a safe setting where their parents are here, that this is a time that you get to start kind of taking ownership of your health and talking about your health and making decisions about your own health. I always have longer appointments for new patients. I think it is important to get to chat one-on-one and get to learn parents and what their preferences are for their children. I can keep that in mind going forward. But the beauty of pediatrics is that I get to see patients really as frequently as they need, and so we can continue to build that trust over time. It's not necessarily just one visit. I like baby visits a lot. It's exciting to see how kids grow and change even in the course of 1 to 2 weeks. But it's also really exciting when on the other end of the spectrum I see a teenager and we talk about something like how anxiety might be playing a role in life, and then I see them a couple months later and they have a lot more insight into what's going on and are much more forthcoming about things. That's exciting to see kids feel a little bit more empowered about their health and have more understanding about their health. I just always want to be somebody that I would be proud to take my kids to one day.